Hey, my name's James Wilkinson and welcome to my YouTube channel. House prices are up again. Let's talk about it. Where's this data from? What does it mean? And why do we get so many different data sources on all of this stuff? Well, I'll cover all of that and more in this video. So while you're here, can you do me a favor? Can you please smash the like button over there, guys? Go on, do it right now. It won't harm you. Smash the like button over there, guys. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And also smash subscribe and hit the bell notification. So today we're going to talk about the land registry data. Now this is the most up-to-date, comprehensive, this is the legit data. Now we do updates on house price data from Nationwide, from Halifax, anywhere that's talking about it. And it's normally Nationwide and Halifax that have got ups, and sometimes the land registry data doesn't correlate with that. But this land registry data always has some sort of lag because the land registry is a big government agency and they're slow, right? They are really, really slow. I had a charge on a property, which is like a document that a lender has on there that I needed removed. And if you don't chase these people at the land registry, it can take 3 months to get something like that removed. So you've got to get on the phone and make things aware. And that's why the land registry data is always the last data to come through. So what is going on? Well, they're saying that in April of this year, house prices actually rose by 0.4%. Nothing major, not really up or down if you ask me, but it does show that we haven't got lagging data that shows big declines in the market. And I am seeing other people saying, well, yes, Nationwide says house prices are going up or down or sideways, but it's really the land registry data. And when that comes out, it will show that the prices are crashing. Well, it's not. It's not giving us that data. Yeah, it doesn't mean that in May and June that the house prices won't have gone down significantly. So why is this data different to other data? Well, Nationwide, when they talk about house prices, they talk about just their data. They don't know what's going on with HSBC or Virgin or anyone else. They just know the deals that they've got in their pipeline. Now, they're a big lender. They lend all over the country, but they don't know everywhere. Halifax is the same. Halifax actually does a little bit more business up north, being that they're based in that area. And so they will also have a different outlook. And so sometimes that data doesn't correlate. Now, what's missing from both of those sets of data is cash buyers. And there's a chunk of the market that is bought with cash or on bridging loans or various other sources. And so that data and all of the data collected together from every single lender, the only place that we can get that is from the land registry. So that's the best data that you can get in the market. The problem is it's just so much further behind than everybody else is. But what it is still is showing us is that the market is stubborn at the moment. And it doesn't mean that the market's not going to go down. I've not said that in any of my videos. I feel the market is going to go down. However, I do think that it could be less than people expect now. And that's because of what Jeremy Hunt launched this week. So Jeremy Hunt had a deal with the banks. He met lots of the big leaders of all the banks, and they've agreed some absolutely incredible deals. And I think I'm not a political person by any means, but I would say that I would give credit to this. I'd compare what they've launched this week to bounce back loans. And I'll tell you something, as a business owner, and I coach and mentor business owners as well, if we didn't have the bounce back loans, you would have had a hell of a lot of companies that went bankrupt during the pandemic. Now, of course, that led to quantitative easing. That's contributed to inflation. But if we didn't have those businesses, we would be in such a severe recession, or would have been in such a severe recession. It's difficult to balance it up. This is really, really good. And so a couple of days ago, I've made a video on what Jeremy Hunt has agreed with the banks, and you should definitely go and check it, and you should share it with as many people as you can, because it really is going to make a very big difference to a lot of people who have a mortgage. And so what in a nutshell they've agreed is that you can extend your mortgage, you can go interest only, you can, if you can't pay it, they won't repossess you for 12 months. There's tons and tons of things that are going to happen. So where are we going to end up with this data from Land Registry? Well, April's done. That's in the bank. We can't change that data. So we're up that little bit there. May, maybe things are going to start changing. Remember when we got to early May, asking prices were going up on Rightmove. It doesn't mean the sold prices have gone up, but it does mean that people still are not like, what's the right word? They're not desperate to reduce their prices, but there are deals coming through on the market. I've been struggling to find some good deals for a few months. I've found 2 this week. I'm not sure if I'm going to do both. I might be able to do just one of those deals and then look at doing another one at a later date if that's still around. But there are getting some deals. People are saying that indicates the market's down. No, that's one deal out of hundreds of deals in one town. So it's not really, the market hasn't shifted. So I think house prices are going to be that little bit more stubborn. And I'm probably going to make a video soon that talks about the fact that I think that the house price decline could be longer and further out than people might think. So let me know what you think about all of this. Let me know what you think about the Land Registry data. Comment below. And if you haven't joined the Property Accelerator yet, you can get all of my training programs. I'll mentor you on that as well and help you understand now's the time to learn property investing. Houses are going to be on sale. You're going to get some absolutely incredible deals out there. And this is when you make money is in a down market. So do check out that. I'll link below. And check out all the other content on my channel, including this video right here.